Hey music producers, before you even think about opening your wallet for expensive plugins, I've got a list of absolute must-have tools that are completely free. Seriously, if you're mixing on a budget, these will be game changers for your sound. First up, let's talk about space. Native Instruments is giving away Sol Reverb. It's a super clean, simple reverb that's perfect for adding musical ambience. I love using it on vocals, pads, and synths when I just need to create some clean space without fiddling with a million knobs. It's incredibly intuitive and sounds fantastic. Next, you need some color and warmth. Check out Temperance Lite by Newfangled Audio. It's the free version of their popular saturation plugin. This thing adds just the right amount of harmonic distortion to bring your tracks to life. It's amazing for warming up drums, making your bass line pop, or giving vocals that extra bit of character without overdoing it. Speaking of vocals, let's talk about Jay-Z microphones. They offer some amazing tools that really complement vocal recording and mixing. Their focus is all on clarity and enhancement. So if you want your vocals to shine and sit perfectly in the mix, their plugins are designed specifically for that, avoiding any extreme or unnatural effects. Now, let's get technical. You need to know what's happening in your mix, and iZotope has you covered. They often have free versions or promotional access to Insight 2, which is a professional-level audio metering suite. You can monitor your loudness, check your spectrum, and make sure your levels are ready for streaming platforms. This is how you ensure your mixes meet industry standards and sound great everywhere. Looking for something more creative? You have to grab FireBoy. This is a free plugin designed for sound shaping and adding unique character to your tracks. It's perfect when you want to add some interesting texture or movement during the production phase, or even for sound design. It's one of those plugins you'll have a lot of fun experimenting with. And finally, no toolkit is complete without a solid delay. Delayson by Sixth Sample is a fantastic free delay plugin. It has tempo syncs, delays, modulation, and filtering options. It's incredibly versatile and works wonders on vocals, guitars, synths, you name it. Whether you're in the mixing stage or still producing, Delayson is a powerful tool to have. So there you have it. 5 incredible plugins that won't cost you a dime. They'll help you create professional-sounding mixes without breaking the bank. For more real music production tools and industry facts, make sure you subscribe to Wild One Studios.